How to fix Snapchat notifications. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat notifications in less than 1 minute. So first thing you wanna do is go to the settings and then go to the apps manager, and all what you wanna do next is search for Snapchat right here between all these apps and click on it. Click on Force Stop and then go to Notifications Management. Make sure to enable all these options right here. Go back to the settings on your phone. Go to the wireless and networks. And then all what you want to do here now is enable the airplane mode and disable it. Exactly like this. That's it guys, very easy and simple. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.